Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Apple TV 4K third generation. This particular model is the 128GB model, which features Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Going to give you an unboxing to show you what you get inside the box. Just very quickly, a look at the packaging. On the side here it says Apple TV 4K, and this denotes that it is the Wi-Fi plus Ethernet version. We take a look on the back, we've got some of the main features detailed here. Cinematic quality, 4K HDR, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support. It also allows you to enhance your experience with other Apple devices, and it also acts as an Apple Home Hub, so you can connect smart home accessories and gain access to them and control your smart home a little bit easier. Now when you get this brand new, there are two sealing tabs on the top and the bottom. Very easy to get into Apple packaging. So we simply peel these across. Let's just do the top one. And now we should be able to open the box nice and easily. And there we go. We're presented with the Apple TV front and center there. We just remove this from the box and just place it off to one side briefly. We've got a little tab in the middle here. Just makes it easy to remove this top section of the packaging. And then we're presented with the Apple remote control. We'll have a look at that in a short while as well. We've also got two little cutouts here which make it just a little bit easier to remove this section here. And inside here we have got the power cable. Now the power cable might look different in your version. Depending upon where you live will determine what power cable you get. So I've got a 3-pin UK power plug, and it's a figure 8 connector on this end. And if you live in another country, you'll get a country specific power cable which might look slightly different to this inside your box. And in the bottom part of the packaging we have just got some paperwork. Just have a look at this. This is quite simply some regulatory information, and then also your quick start guide, and this is going to guide you through connecting the Apple TV to your TV or display, and also the remote control features. Very simple to set up, extremely easy, and just a pleasure to use a device like this. We take a look at the remote control. This is beautifully engineered, one of the best remote controls I've ever experienced. We've got a little power button in the corner, we've got up, down, left and right. We've got the middle button here which acts as an OK button. We've got back. This also sort of acts as like a home button. We've got play, pause, mute, volume up and down, and then some Siri control on the side. So we can actually search for things via our voice. It's a very cool design. Charging port on the bottom of course. A really awesome remote control. And then we've got the Apple TV itself. And when you first get it out of the box, you've just got a little bit more packaging to undo with this protective film. Keeps things nice whilst it's in that box. We've got the Apple logo on the top, matte finish to the top of the Apple TV, gloss on the sides. We take a look around on the back. We've got the input for the power cable. The actual power supply is internal to the device. There's no external power brick. So we plug in here. Ethernet here if you want to hardwire this to your home network. That will allow for maybe a little bit better experience when you're streaming 4K movies, for example, or if you've got decent Wi-Fi, of course you can connect this wirelessly. And then we've got the HDMI connection. And then the last piece of packing is just on the bottom. This is just a protective film to keep that bottom piece nice and dust free. And we simply sit this down next to our TV, connect it to our network, whether that be wirelessly or wired via that Ethernet connection, connect the HDMI cable to our TV, and we are good to go. And the menu system is absolutely superb. It's very easy to navigate, extremely easy to set up, and then when you're accessing your content, the menu system is a breeze to use. You've got access to so much content here. It's a really great device and I can highly recommend it.